In the heart of romantic Porto, Portugal, right along the historic Caminhos do Romântico, stands an old house that has been almost forgotten by time. But in the hands of Floret Arquitectura, the building was not simply restored, but revived with new spirit. This is Golgota House, a project that not only reclaims the past, but also creates the future through architecture that is sensitive, honest, and deeply inspiring. The original structure dates back to the bourgeois era, but by the time the architects arrived, it had fallen into disrepair. Rather than tear it down and replace it, they chose to understand and preserve it. The restoration technique preserves its historical character, from the proportions of the windows, to the layout of the rooms, to the textures of the materials that are allowed to age gracefully. It is a tribute to history, not just an aesthetic reconstruction. This is where the genius of the design shines. The additional volume, containing public areas such as the living room, kitchen, and entrance, is built perpendicular to the original structure and placed on a lower level. This creates a clear visual separation, yet encourages a harmonious dialogue between past and present. The materials used in the new section contrast with the original: concrete, steel, and would form a modern identity that feels honest, yet humble. There is no attempt to imitate, no ambition to match. It is from this contrast that beauty emerges. Different eras, functions, and styles come together in mutual respect. The backyard transforms into a meditation space. Soft, focused outdoor lighting grazes ancient trees and recreates stone walls, as if whispering stories of the past in flickering light. It's not contrived, and that's what makes it feel intimate and personal. The decision to open the house to the garden was no accident. The serene views of the Douro River and the surrounding natural vegetation become part of the narrative of the house. The interior spaces feel open, luminous, and connected to nature. This is not just a place to live, it is a place to experience light, air, time, and history. When night falls on the city of Porto, Golgota House transforms. The natural light that once poured in is now replaced by the soft glow of warm interior lamps. From a distance, the silhouette of the old house stands quietly amid the foliage and shadows of the garden, blending with the calm night air. From outside, golden light flows gently through the tall windows of the historic building, revealing the peaceful life within. Meanwhile, in the contemporary volume, clean lines of lighting reflect the textures of concrete and wood, creating an atmosphere that is serene, minimalist, and modern in one breath. Inside, the interior resonates with the night. Pendant lights and accent lighting cast soft shadows that move across the walls, emphasizing the texture and depth of the materials. The wood on the ceiling, floors, and furniture reflects warm hues, making every corner feel inviting and serene. Whether to live in, build, or simply seek inspiration, Golgota House is a reminder that the best architecture is not about luxury, but about awareness. Awareness of the context, the history, and the people who will inhabit it. Because ultimately, a home is not just about its shape, but about the story it tells, and the life it provides.